Hello, my name is Michael Harcum, the Associate Director of Admissions and Dual Enrollment here at Montgomery County Community College, home of the Mustangs. We thank you for joining our winter online open house. We are glad that you made it, and we have some dynamic content in store for you today. A few reminders: we all love technology, right? Yay! For the best technology experience, we recommend that you use Google Chrome browser. If you are joining us today from a mobile device or tablet, it may be a good idea to disable your pop-ups. When piloting your experience today, remember that there is no such thing as a question too large or one too small. We have dozens of faculty and staff who are ready to engage with you and help you decide if Montco is the best fit for your educational journey. Following our presidential welcome, be sure to stick around for important information and instructions on how to best navigate this 2-hour event. Next up, it gives me an honor and pleasure to introduce Dr. Vicky Bastecki Perez, the president of Montgomery County Community College. Ready, set, Mont, go.
Hello, I'm Dr. Vicky Bastecki Perez, president of Montgomery County Community College. It's my honor and privilege on behalf of the entire Montco family to welcome you to today's open house. You'll have the opportunity to meet many members of our Montco family, including Board of Trustees, faculty, staff, administrators, as well as students during your journey. I hope you'll take the opportunity to make connections, develop a plan, and to register to be part of the Mustang class for spring 2021. Thank you and enjoy the event.
Thank you, Dr. Bastecki Perez. My name is Catherine Browna, and I am one of the coordinators for admissions and dual enrollment. I'm here to give you a quick overview of how to navigate this online open house. Just below this video, you'll see the Montco Momentum Community Room. This is a perfect place to start for today's event. In there, you can chat with admissions staff who can answer your questions, get you connected to the proper resources, and help you with completing your next steps. We can act as your personal guide to Montco. Next, I encourage you to spend some time in each of our 2 live Q&A breakout rooms. These are available until 12 p.m. In the Student Enrollment and Support Services room, you can connect with many of Montco's resources to learn more about what we offer and how you can participate. Looking for ways to get involved outside of the classroom? Chat with Student Life and Athletics. Need to connect with services like Veteran Affairs or Disability Services? Connect with them here. You'll also be able to learn about tutoring, options for adult learners, financial aid, and more. This is an incredibly friendly group, so I encourage you to stop by and chat with them. In the Academic Division breakout room, you can learn about our various academic programs and workforce development opportunities. We have degree and certificate programs in many disciplines, so whether you're planning to take just a few courses with us or complete an associate's degree, then transfer, you'll want to see what we have to offer. Toward the bottom of the page, you'll have access to a variety of videos you can watch to get more in-depth information about various aspects of the college. These videos will be available after our program has formally ended at 12 noon, so I encourage you to save these for after you visited the live options. Enjoy your experience today. We look forward to meeting you.